At CLNQ, we offer bioidentical hormone replacement. There are lots of benefits to bioidentical hormone replacement in comparison with the traditional HRT. Firstly, the hormones are identical to your own hormones. They're synthetically made from plants. Secondly, the hormones are administered via skin or mucosal membrane, bypassing the internal organs and reducing risks and side effects. And thirdly, they're tailor-made to what your body needs. We measure each hormone individually and replace what's lacking. During the initial consultation, we take a medical history and we look at the symptoms you might be experiencing. We also do a blood test. Once we start the hormones, we review your symptoms and do more blood tests to make sure your hormones are within range. The treatment plans includes regular follow-up and monitoring. We also discuss lifestyle changes that will help your symptoms.